What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Make Money Monetizing, where today I'm going to be going over how to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face or making any videos at all. Now today we're in beautiful Huntington Beach, California. I grew up here. It's my hometown. I went to high school here. My girlfriend works downtown. She's just making some content down there for the restaurant that she works for. She hasn't modeled since high school, so she's super nervous. I just came down for emotional support, but that's why I'm here. I'm just hanging out at the beach, and I was scrolling down through YouTube, and you know how the algorithm suggests things that you typically search. I'm in the YouTube automation space, so it always suggests different videos and stuff like that. And I was noticing that the people teaching in the YouTube automation space, or cash cow YouTube channel, faceless YouTube channel, whatever you want to call it, all kind of typically end up being a little bit bland, or a little bit kind of like, I don't know, just like stationary at a desk, lights in the background, going through a PowerPoint. And there are a lot of people that do learn that way. So I mean, if you're one of those people, I personally don't have a course like that, but my mentor does, and I actually did go through that course, which is, it's a great course, but I know there's other ways of actually learning. But if you are interested in more of like a step-by-step, in-depth, really every single thing that you can possibly need to know, I'm going to go ahead and link it in the description, so you can go ahead and reserve your seat. It's free. You just set up a time slot. They do fill up, so do that as soon as possible, or else you're going to have to wait an extended period of time to be able to get a seat. So just go ahead and check that out in the description if that's something that interests you a little bit more, or if you like what I'm kind of explaining right now. If you want more details, just go ahead and jump into the free training there. This is more meant to be a kind of like a conversation between a friend, right? Like if a friend asks another friend, hey, you make money on YouTube, how do you do it? This is meant to be more like that, right? So I'm going to give you guys a few bonus tips. We're going to go over three main subjects, or three main topics that are, I believe, absolutely crucial. Like, they're determining factors to you making money on YouTube consistently. Okay, so let's just go straight into the video. My name's Edgar. If you guys don't know me, thanks for coming back if you've already been here for a long time, and let's do it. So the first most important thing that's going to be a determining factor in making money on YouTube is going to be the actual niche that you choose. Okay, the niche is simply just the category that you're making your videos in. There are profitable niches and there are unprofitable niches. And then here's bonus number one. Bonus number one is going to be, make sure you get ChatGPT. So I pay for a ChatGPT. It's super inexpensive. I think it's like less than $10 a month. And if you have ChatGPT, you can actually ask it so many questions that you're going to need answered. So for example, like if you want to find out what niches are going to be the most inexpensive, or not inexpensive, the most profitable, then just simply ask ChatGPT. Let's say you're looking for, you're making a channel in sports, and you want to find what sub niches are the most profitable niches to make money on YouTube within the sports niche. Let's say specifically basketball. It will give you different video ideas, different topics that you can make videos on, and you can focus your entire channel around these few ideas that this AI software makes. And you can use the free version and get the same answers, but the reason why I say to use the paid version is because then you'll have things like free thumbnail making available. You'll be able to get longer scripts. It actually searches the web. Like, there's different advantages of actually using the paid service, so I would recommend using the paid service. Okay, so the number one most important determining factor of you making money on YouTube is going to be the actual category that you choose to make your channel in. It has to be a profitable category, a profitable niche. Okay, number two most important determining factor of you making money on YouTube is how you're actually producing your videos. So consistency is key, right? But if you can't produce consistent videos every single week, then it's going to be hard to compete with somebody that does produce consistent videos every single week. And if you're newer to the space, your videos are probably going to be, pretty good, not maybe not great at the beginning unless you already have like video making experience. So you want to be able to kind of get the ball rolling and post a lot of content in the beginning, right? And especially try to stay consistent. So to come up with new video ideas, you're going to use ChatGPT. To come up with new scripts, you're going to use ChatGPT. Now, the second bonus that I'm going to kind of throw your guys' way is elevenlabs. elevenlabs is a AI software that makes voiceovers, okay? So you can use this software combined with ChatGPT to make a voiceover script. I don't know if you've ever created a voiceover script and a voiceover by yourself. It takes so long to read a script, especially if you're not a professional at it. If you're not comfortable like just reading a script, like it's so hard not to stutter. It's so hard to keep it in one take. A lot of the time you're doing like at least a few takes and then kind of combining your final video is a mesh of of 3 different videos that you made. It's just kind of like a frustrating thing that takes, it could take multiple days. It took me multiple days in the beginning. But then elevenlabs came out, and so you have ChatGPT. Let's say, for example, you come up with a video idea, you have a title, right? And you type in the title and say, hey, ChatGPT, make me a 10-minute video script for YouTube that is titled, etc. YouTube will spit out a full script for you, and then you can take that script, copy and paste it onto elevenlabs, choose a voice as depending on the energy that you would like, the cadence of how it reads, the speed, etc. And you can actually choose the voice that is going to read your script, and then it'll generate a full downloadable MP3 file of that reading. And then now you can take that reading and either send it to a video editor. That's where you would actually pay anywhere between $35 to $100 depending on the quality of the video that you want or how long it is. And make sure to search Fiverr, search Upwork, search different freelancing websites to be able to find the best people. Sometimes even looking on Twitter helps for video editors. But that would be that whole entire process right there of just 1, generating scripts with ChatGPT, 2, having a voiceover. That process right there takes like under 10 minutes. Then you take that voiceover and you send it over to a video editor. And if you don't have the money to send it over to a video editor, you could in the beginning just make the videos yourself, which is what I did, to be honest. I started off, what I would do is I would make the script, make the voiceover, then I would gather all the clips from YouTube with the YouTube downloader, and then I would clip all the clips with my voiceover and to make a full video all together. And I got pretty good at it and got a decent amount of views, got a channel monetized, and then from there I didn't have to do those or make the videos myself anymore. I could just pay someone to do it. So then I just started paying a video editor to do it, and then it just automated the process so much faster. So you use ChatGPT again to make the script, elevenlabs to make the voiceover, pay someone $35 to $100 to make the video, and now you can consistently produce multiple videos every single week. Okay, so bonus number 1, you get ChatGPT, pay for it. Bonus number 2, elevenlabs, pay for it. Now, number 3, most important determining factor of you consistently making money on YouTube is going to be how consistent you are in staying on topic with your channel. Whatever your channel's about, whatever sub-niche it's about, the more, narrowed down, or the more, I'm blanking on the word, the more niche down or category down, or I guess narrowed down is the best way to put it. The more narrowed down your actual channel is about, whether that be like a sub niche specifically for 40-year-olds, like a relationship channel or something for people in the 40s, that the more descriptive you are about what your channel is, the better it is, because there's something called that we call similar metadata, which means that just the data that you're putting in as far as the keywords that are said in your video script, the keywords that you put in the description, the keywords that are used in the title, the words that people are using to actually find your video, those words are going to be attached to your video in a way that if you have a series of multiple different videos with the same exact keywords, then that will create what we call a video loop. And if you have a video loop going, meaning that you have one video and you have the same keywords that are being used to find another video, then that next video you created is going to be suggested. And if you make a third video, fourth video, fifth video, sixth video, then there's a kind of a video loop that happens where there's overall in your channel, your videos are suggesting your own videos. So someone will watch one video and kind of fall into this like video loop of watching multiple videos on your channel, which then gives a signal to YouTube to push out your videos more, because you're getting a lot of consistent watch time and audience retention over a long period of time. Okay, so that's like a very important determining factor that YouTube has as far as how valuable is this information is watch time. How long is this viewer staying on this channel? That's super important. So those are the three things that I think are super like the determining factors of you making money or not. We'll go over them again briefly, and then I'll throw in the 2 bonus tips and the final bonus tip, okay? So number one most important determining factor of you making money, and I'm gonna put all these put some ideas down there in the description, but just ask ChatGPT. But anyway, number one most important determining factor is going to be the niche that you choose to make your channel in. The niche has to be profitable. If no one's watching or paying advertising to be on the content that you are promoting or you are making, then you're not gonna make very much money. So look for the money, make videos in that. Number two, outsource your video creation process, but only the video editing part. The script making and the voiceover should completely be created by AI, because you can make a full script and a full voiceover in under, I'm talking 5 to 10 minutes, okay? And then you can produce multiple of them in a day and send those out to video editors in packaged form, so that you can just get bundles of videos on a weekly basis and be able to schedule and just, that's how you ultimately automate your channel. Is you're getting your videos outsourced, you get them delivered, you schedule them, and then they get posted on a regular basis on their own. The third most important determining factor of making money on YouTube is going to be the consistency of your metadata. All the keywords that you use on your title, your channel description, your video description, all have to correlate with each other and ultimately pretty much be the same and be in the similar category, so that every single time someone watches one of your videos, they watch multiple videos. The purpose of that is to increase watch time and audience retention, so that YouTube deems your channel significant and important and pushes it out and gives more impressions to more people. And the final golden nugget that I'm going to leave you guys with is, if you guys are going to make a channel and the goal is to, have financial freedom, work from the beach if you wanted to, kind of have more time on your hands, then you want to make sure that you're making, like I said, the most important thing, the number one thing is making your channel in a profitable niche. Part of that is going to be making a channel that has some sort of external income source, so like an affiliate link or some sort of product that you can sell on top of the ad revenue that you're going to generate. So before you even get monetized, there is a way to make money on YouTube with affiliate links. Let's say, sure, you don't have the subscribers or the watch time yet to be in the YouTube partner program, but if people are watching your videos and someone clicks a link through your video, you're going to get that commission if they buy. So that is a way to be able to make money before even actually getting monetized, and it can be off of a video that you didn't even make, right? So you made the script on ChatGPT, you made the voiceover on ElevenLabs, you sent it in to some, video editor in the Philippines, and you paid him $35 and he made you a 10-minute video. You then post, 15 to 30 of those. I promise you at least one of those is gonna pop off, and it's gonna generate a bunch of views and a bunch of impressions. So if you do make a channel and you want to make the most that you can possibly make, I think that the most important part about that part is making sure that you're not only making money on ad revenue, but you're also making money through external sources. Okay, so that was a lot. Again, if you want to go through more of like a step-by-step process and it's not so much of a conversation, I'll just go ahead and link the free training down below. Again, reserve your seat and you just pick a time slot. But just to go over again briefly, the bonuses: 1, ElevenLabs; 1, ChatGPT; 2, ElevenLabs, Golden Nugget. Make sure there's affiliate links for the in the channel or in the niche that you're making. And then the 3 most important determining factors that we went over today is the niche that has to be profitable. You have to outsource your video creation. And 3rd, you have to make sure that you're consistently optimizing your channel with similar metadata, similar keywords, and staying focused on one topic to maximize your income. Okay, so let me know what you think. If you liked the video, if you're new here, just go ahead and subscribe, or at least give me a comment, shoot me a like. But I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.